In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use digital card on Wise. If you're new to Wise, a digital card, sometimes called a virtual card, is a card that lives entirely in your Wise app or digital wallet. There's no plastic to carry, yet it works much like a regular debit or credit card for everyday spending, online shopping, and travel. First, you'll need a verified Wise account. Verification is Wise's way of making sure it's really you and helps keep your money safe. Once you're verified, open the Wise app or sign in on the website and head to the Cards or Card section. Depending on your region, Wise may ask you to order a physical card before a digital one can be issued. That requirement varies by country, so if you see that prompt, go ahead and follow it. If not, you can proceed. When you're eligible, choose the option that says Get a digital card, or a similarly worded button. Wise will generate your digital card details right away, and you'll see the card appear in your app. Using your Wise digital card is straightforward. For online payments, enter the card number, expiry date, and security code just as you would with any other card. Make sure your billing address matches what's on your Wise profile to avoid declines. You may be asked to confirm the purchase in your Wise app for security, so keep your phone handy for any prompts or notifications. For in-store purchases, you can use your digital card via your phone's mobile wallet where supported. This lets you tap to pay at contactless terminals without a physical card. Availability can vary by region and merchant, so look for the contactless symbol and confirm your mobile wallet supports Wise cards in your country. One of the biggest advantages of using Wise is flexible currency support. You can spend in multiple currencies, and Wise will convert at the time of purchase when needed. If you have a balance in the currency you're paying in, it typically uses that first. If not, it converts automatically at competitive rates, which is especially handy when you travel or shop internationally. Finally, take advantage of the security and control built into the app. You can pause or unpause your digital card if you misplace your device or want to prevent new charges. You can also monitor transactions in real time and update card details from the same card section. As with any card, keep your details private and review your activity regularly for peace of mind. That's it. Your Wise digital card is ready to go, simple to create, easy to use, and designed for secure everyday spending.